In this video, I'll show you how to pin a video on your YouTube channel. So let's get started. First, head over to your YouTube channel. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select View Your Channel. Once you're on your channel, scroll down to the Videos section. You'll notice there isn't a direct option to pin a video here. Instead, click on Customize Channel. After that, go to the Home tab at the top. Scroll down to the Layout section, then click Add Section. The main feature you'll use to pin a video is the Channel Trailer option. Click on it, then choose the video you want to pin. I'll just select a random video for this example. As you can see, the channel trailer is shown to people who haven't subscribed to your channel. Once you've selected your video, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Now go back to your channel. You'll see the video is now displayed at the top, which wasn't there before. Keep in mind that this video will only be shown to people who are not subscribed to your channel. If you also want to show a video to people who have already subscribed, you can do that as well. Go back to Customization, click Add Section again, and this time choose Spotlight for returning subscribers. Now select the same video, or any other video you want to feature. As you can see, this will add a featured video for your returning subscribers.